All right, welcome to my YouTube channel. Yes, my name is Maurice the Crochet Master, and I would like to welcome you guys. Thank you so much for loving me. Thank you so much for loving Maurice the Crochet Master. Yes, and today I have something that is very special. Like, we are going to learn two things. Yes, we're going to learn two things in this video. Number one, I want you to look at me very careful. Like, I'm likely to show you, to teach you on how to do the inside cornrows, the small ones. Yeah, today we're going to play the French coils. Yeah, French coils. This is a type of a crochet that is very nice, and it can be it doesn't tangle at all. It can be, it's washable. Yes, and all I can say, it is very nice. The maintaining is very easy. So what you have to do is to see how I'm doing it. Okay, number one step we're going to do, we have to do our cornrows in a pathway. And I've been telling you guys, those ones who have been not following my previous videos, that please, you should learn on how to do this type of cornrow, the inside cornrows. I told you this one lasts longer than these other cornrows. Why? It's because it starts from inside. We start, like, the hair grows from inside. You understand what I'm trying to say? So if you try to look at these hands, the way they are moving, it would give you okay, it would be showing you on how you can follow those steps to show you how, or to show you the way you can do the inside cornrows. And I always tell you guys that it is always good to make practice, because whenever you do practice, it makes you perfect. So you just have to see something and try it out then, so that you also be perfect. But trust me, French coils and these cornrows, when you do them in the inside format, they can last longer than these other cornrows. Yes. So we're doing it this way. You can see how I start, just like this. You can see, you see, I know it is very easy. If you just try to do it, you can do it just like this. Very simple, and lovely. You see, very simple. You can try it, and trust me, you can learn it. And if you know how to do these kind of cornrows, trust me, it's going to be easy for you. So this is how you can do it. You see, very perfect. So let's try it on how to do these inside cornrows, and as we're going to see, and how you can crochet this type of this type of corner, and the French coils. So this is how we're going to be doing. Oh, I've been trying to explain to you, when you're doing the French coils, what you should have to make sure that your corners are very packed. The way you're seeing what we're doing here, your corners are supposed to be very packed, so that it gives someone it gives someone the easiest way on how to style this. Yeah, in that it can be held puff, it can be either a sideway, middle line, all that, or it can all go behind. So that's why I always advise to make sure that we use these type of cornrows, because it is very nice, and it can favor those styles. So just have to make sure that is well packed very well, since we are also going to use the French coils. And the French coils is a type of crochet that is also small. You know, I've been telling you that we always do these mistakes. We find like, I'm doing the big cornrows and I'm going to crochet a small crochet. That is very wrong. It's always you have to like the type of cornrow matters the type of crochet that you're going to do. So now you can see how I'm doing it. It's very, very simple. The locking is also different. In that you just have to lock twice. You understand? You just have to lock twice, like different from these other crochet that we have been doing when you lock one. So this one you have to lock twice. So this is how you can also try it out. Let me try to get the good angle. But you can see how she's trying to do it. Is trying to lock it twice. So this is how you can enjoy seeing the type of French coil the way it looks. All right, so when you reach on this extent, you can see how I'm trying to be how we're trying to get it here. Yeah, that we make sure that everything is packed well. Yes, it's packed well for the good styling. You know, when this crochet is packed very well, the styling becomes easy. You understand what I'm saying? So this is how you can do it, and trust me, you're going to love it. The maintaining is easy and it looks very, very perfect. I love you so much. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master. See you in my next other videos. These are the French coils. Bye bye.